Hi guys, it's Miss Cat. I miss you guys. I miss seeing all your smiling faces and all of you saying hello to me. I wanted to read you one of my favorite stories. So today I'm going to read you No David by David Shannon. Uh-oh, I think he's in for some trouble. David's mom always said, "No, David." No, David. Uh-oh. I think he's going to be in trouble. He is trying to get those cookies out of the cookie jar. No, David, no. Oh, look at all that mud he dragged in all over the rug. No, no, no. Oh, water is overflowing onto the floor. The poor octopus fell out. He thinks he's a pirate with that hat on. Come back here, David. He lost his clothes. David, be quiet. He is being really noisy, banging on those pots. Don't play with your food. He's trying to make his own Mr. Potato Head, using those chicken legs as legs and beans for arms. That's enough, David. I think he stuffed all the food in his mouth. Go to your room. Oh, he does not look really happy. He looks sad. Settle down. Uh-oh. I think he thinks he's a superhero. He's got on a mask. Stop that this instant. Oh, yuck. He is putting his finger in his nose. Remember, you guys, we got to keep our hands nice and clean. Make sure you've been washing them. Put your toys away. Oh, no. He doesn't know the rules of our classroom. We play with something. When we're done, we put it back. Not in the house, David. What could happen if he hit that ball? Something could break. I said no, David. See, this cat was right. The ball broke the vase. Oh no, he's sad, he's crying. I think he realizes he did something that wasn't right. Davy, come here. Yes, David, I love you. The end. See, he made some bad choices, but his mom and his dad, his family, they all love him. I hope you guys are making good choices when you're home, and I miss you. Bye.